Hey guys, my name is Elijah and I welcome you in this tutorial where I show you how to delete audio in Davinci Resolve. So I show you right now. I will drag this clip on my timeline, and as you can see, this clip has video and audio as well. And if I want to delete audio, as you can see, I select audio and I press delete. It will delete video and audio. So I press Command Z to bring it back, and I want to delete only audio, so I will right click it and then click on this link clips or use this shortcut right here. And now as you can see, when I unselect it and select only my audio and I press backspace, as you can see, now my audio is deleted. You cannot press delete right here because it will delete the clip as well. So don't forget to press backspace or just simply right click and press on delete selected. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.